Good afternoon, and thank you for joining us in order to discuss our DT project called PhytoAttack, including the team members me, Idali,
Alana,
Lily,
and Leilani.
Bill Muck is one of many shellfish farmers that is affected by toxic plankton in shellfish. He is very troublesome because his number of customers have started to decrease and his income is shortening. These planktons are currently infecting shellfish due to climate change. Greenhouse emissions that are released into the air through human activity is one of many prime examples of how water can be contaminated. So we decided to create a device that would help him get the toxic planktons out of his shellfish. This will provide a solution to his pockets, to help his pockets and help him bring back his devoted customers. Now Hidali will talk about our solution.
in order to find the most effective solution to the increase of polluted waters and toxins being in sea life, we pitched in ideas to help people like Bill Muck. We started by each individual team member thinking of their own solutions and then coming together to decide what was most effective. As you can see in the first image, we brainstormed ideas individually. From here, we were able to conclude which of our solutions was going to directly fight the toxins in the water. The images provided on the left are examples of warning signs about toxic shellfish and the dangers of consuming these different seafoods. For example, one area in California that is fighting with water contamination is San Joaquin, which led us to creating our prototype.
So our solution is an interconnected sea-changing machine for helping shellfish that are being intoxicated by plankton in the depths of the sea. Through our first attempt of creating our prototype, it led to our finalized idea of creating mini submarines. Creating these mini bots that are sustainable in water would enable it to stay in polluted waters in order to clean the water through filtration. The photo of the capsules on the right represents what the mini submarines will be distributing in the ocean water where the intoxicated shellfish live. The capsules will contain a chemical that is water-friendly but will kill the phytoplankton that are infesting the shellfish. This chemical is called titanium dioxide and goes into effect when it is hit by rays of light. And that's only one part of our solution. We thought, why not make it interactive? So we are planning on making a video game that would be able to interact with the submarine, and every time a person beat 10 levels, a capsule would be placed into the ocean to decontaminate the shellfish. Now Leilani will explain how we will test our prototype.
Regularly testing the seawater for specific diseases or toxins that are in the waters and created targeted liquids to kill them off. And we hope to learn if it's possible to eliminate or reduce seawater contamination with our solution. To make it easy for us to start off, we will test the coastal water to see how long it will take for the filter to take effect and spray throughout the water. But for more accurate results, we will ask shellfish harvest to taste it out where they will normally harvest. If unable to, we would like to receive construction feedback in order to improve our prototype.
Thank you for taking the time to listen to us discuss about the effects of climate change on sea life and the impact of the lives of shellfish farmers. If you have any questions, feel free to ask along with any comments. Thank you.